Have you ever heard that you can make money by watching videos on YouTube? For the first time in the world, we are the first YouTube channel that, with the slogan, "Our success is the success of our viewers," we came up with the idea of designing a game and we want to include it in our videos. So our game is like this. We have put a puzzle for you in each video that is hidden from your eyes, and we ask you to guess the correct answer and send it to our Instagram. And at the end, when the channel starts receiving income, we will pay 20% of the income of that video to 3 people who answered correctly. Try your luck when you can be the winner.